Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Martinel's Tech Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to freeze panes in Microsoft Excel. So freezing panes has to do with locking certain headings in Excel so that you can work with them very easily, stress-free, effortlessly. Okay, so we want to see how to do this in Excel. So here I am on the Microsoft Excel. This is a template that I've prepared for probably for examination purposes. I have English language here. I have mathematics, science, social studies, computing, geography. I have literature. Then I also have economics and career technology as subjects to be entered to be used as a heading. Then I have names of students here, just some rough names, and then these names are down here. Now if you look at this, maybe for examination purposes I want to enter the marks of students, these particular students over here. I want to add marks to their cells in these templates. I would have to do them one after the other. Now when I scroll through, assuming I am done with the first set of people here and I want to scroll down, you realize that when I scroll down, the subjects vanish. So English language, mathematics, science, all these ones, whenever I scroll down, you see that they go. So it will become very difficult for me to know which subject is here, which subject is here, which subject is here through to the end. And so it has become necessary in this case that I will have to lock this particular heading so that even when I scroll through, they will be able to display to the next person even when the cell is the sheet is so much with a lot of people. Then again, let's say the subjects over here, I have these ones here. There are certain subjects over here too that are not showing, so I'll have to scroll through before they come and I complete them. In that case, as I scroll through, you see that the names of the people here also vanish. So I wouldn't know who I'm referring to, just in case I'm making reference to a particular person's marks. When I scroll through to this place, I won't be able to tell who is here or how to easily identify the person because the names here are gone. So it is also necessary that I will have to lock this name so that when I scroll through, the name can still be there for me to make a reference in my sheets. So here I'm going to show you how to do that very easily, how to lock the cells using the freeze pane command. So here I'm going to make sure that um, my mouse pointer I'm selecting this particular the first cell for entry. Then come right here to the top. We have the tabs here: home tab, insert tab, the page layout tab, the formulas tab, data tab, review tab, and view tab. So here I want to click on the view tab. Now on the view tab I have freeze panes over here. So on this particular one, we are going to use these freeze panes to do this exactly. So we want to see this freeze panes icon here. It is what we are going to use to lock these cells. So let's see how it is done. So I'm going to click on these freeze panes here, and when I click on the arrow, it gives me freeze panes, the first one. Second option freezes the top row, and then the next freezes the columns. So we have two. If you want to freeze the top row, that is just the rows, you can do this so that the names of the subjects will only be frozen. Then if you want to freeze the column, also the names of the students alone will be frozen. But if you go to freeze panes here, this freezes both the names of the students, columns, and then the subjects, the rows. So this is exactly what I want to do. So I'm going to click on this. Okay, right, I've just done that. Click on freeze panes. And here I want to scroll through. When I scroll through, you can see as the cell goes up, the names of the students go through. Still I have the subjects displayed there. Okay, so I will find it very easy to identify which subjects I'm entering the scores for which student. Now again, when I scroll through to display the remaining subjects over here, you can see that the students are still there. The names of the students are still there. Even though I am scrolling, the names of the students are still there. So I've locked the names, which is a cell, and then also I have locked the the headings where the subjects are displayed. So this is how to freeze panes. You can choose to freeze only the columns or freeze only the rows depending on the content of your template. Okay, so if you want to unfreeze it, you still go there and then you click on unfreeze panes and then it will go. So this is how to freeze panes or lock cells in Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so that the next time we post new videos, you'll be able to get access to it. And remember to keep learning. I'll see you again. Bye bye.